There was a time when the internet felt like a strange and endless frontier. Weird, raw, personal, before the bots, before the brands, before everything started to feel the same. But where did it all go? You're watching EchoURL, and today we explore the ghost web. What's left of the old internet? The early web wasn't pretty. It was messy, loud, built by hand with love, or sometimes pure chaos. Websites were personal, journals, rants, flash games. Every corner of the web felt different, like walking through someone's digital diary, but it wasn't about clicks, it was about connection. Then came the shift. Web 2.0, social networks, algorithms, ads, slowly. The wild gardens of personal websites were replaced with branded lawns, uniform, predictable, controlled. The weird got buried. And what used to be personal became content. But pieces of the old web are still out there. Lost blogs, abandoned forums, broken code, still floating in digital space. These are the ghost sites, no longer maintained, no longer visited, but not completely gone. Like haunted houses, they echo with forgotten voices. If you know where to look, you can still hear them. The old internet was messy, but it was human. A reflection of real people, their hobbies, heartbreaks, obsessions. And now, most of what we see is generated by corporations or AI. Feeds that decide for us, comments written by bots, engagement without connection. The ghost web reminds us what we lost and maybe what we could bring back. What if we stopped scrolling and started exploring again? What if we built our corners of the web instead of renting them from tech giants? The ghost web isn't just history, it's a reminder that the internet doesn't have to be dead. It can still be ours, if you know where to look. You've been watching EchoURL, where the digital past meets the synthetic future. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you're still out there.